I was really excited to share the stage with people whose work I have studied and have largely based what I do.
I've not been to anything quite like this, where you've got the icons in the field who are all in one place. I mean, my mentors are all here, and I'm so honored to play a small role and be on the same stage as these erudite individuals.
People that work in this field face problems every day. They face all kinds of complex issues with kids, and trying to sort out what those problems are and how to understand them and such is often it's a challenge for people.
A conference like this provides a unique way to get a lot of information on very specific issues that are concerning to you, that are problems you have to solve in a very quick and easy sort of way, with all of the opportunity to interact with their colleagues. Very different from getting that information from reading a journal or listening to a podcast.
One of the hardest things we do with students with autism, as kids who can't talk, is trying to increase the number of things they can say, and so having more strategies to think about how can we increase those vocalizations so students are talking is an important set of procedures that's been presented that I hope people take away.
As a speech pathologist and a behavior analyst, I've always kind of looked at my role as kind of bridging those two, and I hope that people that come here, whether they're teachers or speech pathologists or behavior analysts, get a better appreciation for how the two fields of speech pathology and behavior analysis can come together.
They are interested in the analysis of verbal behavior. Applied behavior analysis, they understand the base, but it is verbal behavior that they're interested in.
Mark and Vince and I can talk about things in a way that we wouldn't delve into in a less sophisticated audience. And boy, this audience is exciting to talk to.